Hi, I'm David with CabinetParts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to install decorative hardware on your cabinets. First, let me disclose a little information before we start the installation process. This video is intended for the average homeowner or DIYer who wants to tackle this project themselves. This video will demonstrate the basic steps without having to purchase thousands of dollars in tools and equipment. Now, I cannot stress enough about safety, so always wear your eye protection. And like always, if this project seems too big for you to handle, contact a professional. Here's a list of tools you'll need for this project: an electric drill or cordless screw gun with a 3/16 twist drill bit, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, a combination square, 1-inch blue or green painter's masking tape, and finally, a tape measure and a pencil. In this video, I will demonstrate 2 ways to install decorative hardware, using a prefabricated template and by hand. Now, whether you are installing knobs or pulls, both methods are equally effective and will make the job go faster and easier. Templates are an easy way of repeating the same measurements on your doors without the hassle of using tape measures on each door. The template will be pre-marked with your desired hole locations. For this template, I picked the 2 hole locations that will match the center-to-center pattern on my hardware and are on the center of the rail on the door. An easy way to remember these holes is to circle them with a permanent marker. Simply hold the template in the desired corner of the door and use a pencil to mark the hole locations. Use your drill with the 3/16 drill bit and use the pencil marks as your center mark. Once you have drilled both holes, insert the screws through the holes and tighten them with a number 2 screwdriver hand tight. Now, depending on your application, prefabricated templates may not work for you. Sometimes marking them by hand is the only way. Before you start measuring, place a piece of painter's tape on the door. Now, the low adhesive on the painter's tape will make it easy to remove the tape later without leaving a sticky residue. And if you make a mistake, you can simply replace the tape with a new strip without even having to make a mark on the face of the door. Next, determine where you want your hardware located on the door. A combination square will ensure your measurements are consistent. Once you have marked your locations, always double check your marks by simply holding the hardware up to the marks to verify that the marks line up center to center with the holes on the hardware. Now use your drill with the 3/16 drill bit and use your pencil marks as your center mark. Once you have drilled both holes, remove the tape and insert the screws through the holes and tighten them with the number 2 screwdriver hand tight. Well, that was pretty easy. Now, to get more information on decorative hardware, including which style, color, or manufacturer is right for you, simply click this link or visit us online at www.CabinetParts.com.